Mastering ordinal numbers in dates, writing it right. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of ordinal numbers. But not just anywhere, we're going to learn how to use them when writing dates in full. This is a skill that can help you sound more natural and proficient in English, so let's get started. Before we jump into using ordinal numbers in dates, let's quickly recap what ordinal numbers are. Ordinal numbers are numbers that show position or order in a series. Examples include first, second, third, and so forth. When it comes to dates, English has a unique way of using ordinal numbers. If you're writing the date in full, you will typically use ordinal numbers for the day. For example, if today is the 13th day of the month, you would write the 13th. Now, let's put it all together to write the full date in English. The standard format includes the day, in ordinal numbers, followed by the month, and then the year. So, if today is June 13th, 2023, you would write it as the 13th of June, 2023. Please note, it's important to remember to include the at the start and of in between the day and month. This format is commonly used in formal writing, invitations, letters, and when you're trying to emphasize the date. While the 13th of June, 2023 inches is the most formal way of writing the full date in English, there are variations based on regional usage and formality. For instance, in the United States, it's more common to see the month before the day, as in June 13th, 2023. This is just one example of the flexibility English offers, but for now, it's best to stick to the most common format we've covered. Well, that wraps up our exploration of using ordinal numbers in dates. Remember, it's the 13th of June, 2023 inches, not the 13th of June 2023. By using ordinal numbers correctly in dates, you'll make your English sound more natural and precise. Happy learning, and don't forget to practice writing the date in full using ordinal numbers. See you in our next lesson.